Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys few daily essential products, and these are the products which we tend to use it every single day. So I will be talking to you guys about body wash and face washes, so you can choose among them if you like any. And I bought all these from the stores nearby. Only one or two are there which I had ordered it long time ago before whole corona situation. So let's get started. So the first product which we have here is from King Skin. It's in the flavor Wild Rose, and it costs for rupees 79, and this bottle is of 250 ml. I recently got this product. It's a very good product, and it does not exactly smell like rose, but it does have a very mild floral kind of a smell, so you will like it if you are into floral smell. And this is a very light body wash, but this is a kind of body wash where you will require a little more water to rinse it off your skin. So yeah, and it is paraben free and made in India. So the next product we have here is from Dettol. Is the Dettol body wash. It is in the flavor aloe vera and green apple. The body wash have a very silk and smooth kind of a texture. You can give it a shot. It is for rupees 200. This is for rupees 200, and it does smell like green apple. It has a very nice smell of green apple and fresh smell. You can give it a shot if you want. The next one, this is a product, even I like this product a lot. It's a very good product. It's Palmolive, I hope I'm saying it right, Palmolive Coconut Joy. It's a body butter. And it has a good exfoliating elements to it. It says also it is an exfoliating body wash. I hope you can see. It does have a body wash which has a very mild sweet smell to it, very coconutty sweet smell you can say. And if you're a person who likes sweet smell in their body wash and cream, you are definitely gonna like this product a lot. So it is of 190 rupees and it is worth it. You can give it a shot. Which I have, most of us know this one. It's the Lux body wash. There is a wide range of varieties to it, so you can go check it out. It's of 99 rupees, and you can try this out guys. It's good one, and it will really remove, for those who haven't used it, it will literally remove all the dirt and extra oil in your skin. So it's a very good product. So yeah, and it has a very nice smell which stays for quite a long time. It will stay. So yeah, next one, and this one even I really love this one, and this one is Frosted Berries Foaming Bath by The Body Shop. It's almost over. I'm so sorry I could not get the new one because of the situation, and I'm looking forward of getting different varieties of. Yeah, I'm looking forward of making a video only on their different products. So yeah, organic. So the next one is from Azafran Organic. I hope I'm saying this one right, because this one is new to me. I didn't use this product earlier. It's a good product. It's again on the organic side, and it cost me around 400 rupees. It cost me around 400 rupees. It's a good organic product. It smells like sweet. The smell is like sweet and earthy at the same time. It is for normal to combination skin. They're the only two products which I got online. It was before the lockdown thing. So it's a shower gel, not a body wash. And this one is the scrub. If you buy the single one, it will cost you around 350. Those are the few body wash which I got from the stores nearby, and one of the Nykaa one I tried showing it just to give a extra ad. So if you want more varieties to the range, please let me know in the comment section below. So now we will start with some face wash. The first product which I'm going to share with you guys is the Khadi Anti-Acne Face Wash. This is paraben free and good for acne. I really like Khadi products. I have used their face mask and face pack, but this is my not that favorite product. It cost me around 295 rupees and they have given a huge amount. So yeah, they have very natural products. Their products are very natural and earthy. I love all their products. Just the face wash, this I find it's very boring and it does not have any smell, or you will not just start having sudden change on your skin or something like that. So yeah, I switched from this one later. So the next product I have here, which I have here is from Go. It's very good, guys. It has this thing and you can just clean your face so nicely and it feels very, very nice. So yeah. It's the apple cider vinegar face wash and it's a very, very good product for all the guys and girls out there. Even guys, I have seen lots of guys use this one. And it's of 100 ml. It cost me around 399 and it's of 100 ml. It's a very, very good investment and you can use this every morning, every day without any trouble. So the next one we have here is from Clean and Clear. We all know about this one. It's the Morning Blast and it's Cherry Blast Morning Energy Clean and Clear. It's a very, very good product. It's very refreshing and those who haven't used it, it's of 175 rupees. It's a very good product. It will just give you a fruity energy in the morning. So yeah, include just one scrub. It's a very good scrub and you can use this every single day. It's very good for regular use. Some face scrubs are there that you cannot use it every single day, and I have a very, very sensitive skin. So if I use hard face scrub, I end up getting a lot of pimples and rashes on my skin. So this is a face wash you can use every day. You won't get rashes or anything because their beads are very mild. So yeah. From Pond's, I recently got it. It's a very nice product. It will literally take out all the dirt and extra oil and everything on your face, and it will just give you a fresh look after you use this one. It's the white pure white mineral clay. It's a very, very good product. It literally clean your skin up. So yeah. So now I have this one. It's from Himalaya. It's their neem face wash. It's a very, very, very good product. For those who haven't used it, it is great for acne and it cost me around 65 rupees. So yeah, it's for all skin type. It's for all. I have here, I was little confused for sharing it because this is a face wash which my doctor gave me when I had a lot of pimples and everything on my skin, and later even few of my friends started using it, so they really, really liked it. It's the Mandisa face wash. It's very good for acne. It is really very, very good for acne. Though if you are having pimples all around your face or breakouts and all, it's a very good product. It's a foaming kind of a face wash. So you can give it a try if you want. It's a very good, it is very, very good for acne. I'm really tired and I'm gonna get my coffee and then edit this video. So hope you like it, and if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and give a like to this video, and please share it with your friends and family. And